Alright, so the angle may not be 100% right. That's going to be a work in progress for my filming skills. But I got these loosened with the impact. I very slowly just kind of worked it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until I was able to at least use a wrench on it. And I'm just doing the same thing with the wrench. I do realize my hand's probably in the way, but there's not really much I can do. If I had 60 million cameras and somebody who is proficient with computers to edit my videos, so then the footage from all those 60 million cameras can be put into one video, yeah, I might do it, but I got more important things to do. Like ride. So, this is a 42-year-old bike with 7,000 odd miles on it. And I do realize that the manual does say to do this at 7,200 miles. Well, I'm already here doing an oil change, and I'm pretty sure I'm close enough. So, and I'm sure that there's some people that have just never even done this before because they didn't even realize it was there. Now, the reason I am recording this is just like my repair videos with the CM200T. I noticed that there isn't a lot of videos to work with for just normal day-to-day maintenance. Now, can I get that with my fingers? Nope. And no, I'm not going to drop that in the drain pan. But what I'm going to do with all these before I put it all back together is I'm going to take it up and I'm going to put it on the wire wheel and clean everything up. And there it goes. Good job, me. So I'll get that later. I'd hate to be a guy with giant hands at this point because I can hardly even get my hands in here. And I almost dropped the wrench. Let's try it like this. Oh, let's try it like that. Yeah, that's better. So really, I didn't come very prepared for this. Come on. This probably would have been a smart idea to bring the gear wrench instead of just a normal wrench. Come on. Alright. So now, I'm pretty sure the easy part's done. I'm going to put that with the drain plugs so I know where it is. Actually, let's take this for a second and see if this is a 10 millimeter as well. Look at that, it is. Alright. So, before I started recording, I sprayed everything with JB80. I'm really hoping that this is recording the right spot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in here. And that way I can't lose it. And I might need that, I'm not sure. But we'll go ahead and remove the clutch cable now. And they always make it sound a lot easier than it actually is. So what are we working with here? Okay, so it's just like a bicycle brake. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that or not, but let's see. If I put my phone here, I'll get a little bit light. No, that's not going to work.
And I saw who the guy was, a real estate guy. Nobody famous, but he has a lot of money. And he bought this ball because he wanted to own it and put it in.
I don't want to screw with the adjustment.
And so Tom Brady retires and that ball goes to virtually zero. Well, what happened was the auction house, the seller, the buyer all agreed, and it is just nothing now. He gets his money back. Cool refund. Everybody's cool. Wow, that's good.
I have a question for that.
You know, I'm torn because that's a risk you take when investing, especially something like that in the memorial.
I wonder. No, of course my screwdriver's too big. And I didn't bring another one.
Massive negative situation. But that's showbiz, baby. Sometimes when you buy that, it goes the wrong way.
I wonder if I can get away with just keeping it connected.